In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Claude Pro with the Claude Code CLI and MCP for a streamlined multi-file coding workflow. We'll begin on the Claude account page, upgrade to the Pro plan to unlock longer context length, higher token limits, access to Sonnet 4 and Opus 4.5, and multi-file project memory, also known as MCP. These features enable longer sessions and more reliable reasoning across your files. We'll confirm your plan from the CLI in a moment. Next, install the Claude Code CLI. On Linux or macOS, run curl fssl https://claude.com/install.sh bash. On Windows, using PowerShell, run iwr https://claude.com/install.ps1 useb IEX. When the installer completes, check it with Claude version. Now log in and authenticate. Run Claude login. Enter your email, then paste the verification code that's sent to you. You should see login successful, plan pro. If you want to double check at any time, run Claude plan and confirm the output shows plan pro. Create a clean workspace for your code. Make and enter a project folder with mkdir apples Claude Pro projects/my project, then cd Claude Pro projects/my project. Keeping everything in one place is important for multi-file context. Initialize MCP so Pro can track knowledge across files. Run Claude MCP init context 7, then load your current directory with Claude MCP load. With this, you get full project memory, cross-file reasoning, fewer errors, and support for subagents and rules. Add guardrails for quality. Add rules with Claude MCP rule add. Name strict types. Prompt always use TypeScript types. Avoid any. Then Claude MCP rule add. Name no force unwrapping. Prompt never use force unwrap in